Hi, this is Monte Huebsch, the Google Guru, and today I've got a whole bunch of things for you. Um, Recently, we ran a seminar on the 19th of July in Sydney with Tamara Loor, and her profile is down here. Tamara has built a number of companies from $500,000 to $10 million turnover in 2 years with organic traffic generation, and I was a partner with her down in Sydney, and we presented um, this seminar here. And so, yeah, if you wonder what I look like, because you've heard my funny accent for all these years, I'm on there. But I introduced Tamara into the mix, and it's mainly her talking about what she does. We had over 40 people at this event. They paid over $60 each to be there. It's free for you. It is a long video. It runs over an hour and includes the Q&A. But if you really, and it does talk about the balance between AdWords and SEO and content and social media marketing and strategy. If you want something that's not a sales pitch, that's educational, I implore you to watch this video, and the link is in this email. So hope you enjoy that. Hope you learn something from that. Always keen to hear your feedback. While I'm on the topic of presentations, my good friend Barry Smith is running his search engine boot camps in Melbourne and Sydney this year. This Melbourne date is actually changing from August to September, but it'll be updated. And he's made a special offer to the speakers. I'm going to be speaking there on AdWords 101, which I'm excited and looking forward to. But he's allowed I believe it's a 35% discount for any of the speakers there to have some of their people in the audience. I think it's normally $995, so you're getting about a third off. It's going to cut a good savings. I do know most of the other presenters at the event, and they are experts in what they talk about as well. Keyword research, SEO, content building, link building, landing pages. I mean, you're getting the real cream of the crop. This isn't for people that are wannabes. This is for people that currently have web presences, and they're trying to figure out how to expand their audience through search engine optimization and pay-per-click advertising. Again, the links with the 35% discount will be available to you in the bottom of our email here. So if you want to see me and a lot of other really qualified speaker, I'll have the link to the website. Go check it out if you're in Sydney or Melbourne. If you do, please come up and say hello. Would love to chat with you. And lastly, one of my longest serving employees, who's a wonderful human being named Nigel Ellis, has launched a smoke detector alarm system. It's just ipizasmokealarms.com.au. And this is kind of important. He lives in a house that's a two-story house, and it's got bedrooms upstairs and downstairs. The laws are changing so that these smoke detectors are interconnected. So if an alarm goes off downstairs, it automatically alarms upstairs and in different areas. This is becoming law in all the different states, and Queensland is leading the charge. And they're either hardwired, which can be very expensive because you need to get a Sparky or an electrician in, or you can now, with a 10-year battery guarantee, have interconnected devices that do this for you. And again, I'm going to include the link to this website. I can't offer you any discount, but it's very competitive rates. If you're concerned about the safety of yourself and your family, particularly in areas that are widely spaced out, consider smoke alarms. The deaths from fires is avoidable, and Nigel and his website's got some solutions to that. So again, the link to this website is in the bottom of this email. So that's all I've got for you today. Thanks a lot. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy or think about coming to Search Engine Bootcamp in Sydney or Melbourne, and I hope you protect your friends and family in your accommodation or your apartment. That's it for me, Monte Huebsch, the Guru Guru. Thanks for listening.